Alright, welcome back to Cameron's Cruisers. My name's Cameron, and today we're going to be installing the Pro Circuit triple clamp onto a KLX110, 110L, 110R, RL, DRZ110, doesn't matter. If you follow these instructions, you're going to get it done right. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Let's do it. Okay, so for today's video, what we're going to need is we're going to need a 3/8 drive, an extension, a 17 millimeter, and that's going to be for the bottom bolts. 10 millimeter is going to be for the top bolts for the bars, and then the pinch bolts on the side. You're going to need a 1/4 inch drive, an extension, and an 8 millimeter. So let's get to it. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to begin to remove this front number plate. 8 millimeter on the extension. Okay, next up with the 10 millimeter, we're just going to break all these bolts right here. And then once they're broken, you can pull these handlebars back a little bit, just like that. And then we can get in there with the 10 millimeter on the impact. And we can blast all these bolts right out. Remove the 2 top clamps. Fold the bars gently over. Make sure you're not pinching anything. They just need to go out of the way for now. Just nice and lightly. Okay. Move that. I'm using a 1 3/16. Nah, it's not right. You should be using metric because it is a Kawasaki. But this is going to work for our application. That's some decent torque on it. Okay, next up with the 10 millimeter, we got these 2 in the front, these 2 pinch bolts. There we go. Slides right up and out. All right, so what we got here right now is we got the pinch bolts like all the way loose and installed. We got the riser bolts with the 17 millimeters all the way torqued down. These are ready to go onto the motorcycle. The forks are clean. So now we're gonna slide this right on. It might be a little hard to get it in there, but once it starts to go, it goes all the way. You'll know when it's seated. So this screw hole goes forward, or the logos go forward. And I'm just lining it up with this riser bolt, and it's going nice and easy on. And that's it right there. So the next thing we're gonna do is there's a washer and the 1 3/8, which I don't even know what that is in metric, but that's working for my application right now. Chungus here. I'm going good and tight. I don't have a 1/2 inch torque wrench, so we're not doing that. But yeah, just good and tight. I mean, that's like no pressure, a little bit of pressure, a little more. Okay, next we're gonna take our bars. We're gonna put them right back in there, dead center. Oh, it's about center to me, right there. Okay, so I turned the bike around just to show you. I like my bars aligned with my forks. Okay, now I'm just gonna go ahead and just, final tighten everything down. Okay, last but not least, we're gonna put the number fender on the front of it. Front brake cable goes in front of it. I like to see it all the way down. It doesn't have to be super tight, guys. And this just goes back through, just like that. That's not me. That bolt right there. I'm gonna loosen up these bolts right here. I'm gonna just see if we can rotate it just a little bit forward, and that should just buy us a little bit of clearance. All right, let's see. Now when we turn it all the way to the left, it shouldn't rev. Okay, so that's it. If you run XR50 bars on a KLX110 and you do risers, you're gonna have to extend the front brake cable, but not the throttle cable, but you're gonna have to roll the throttle forward, if that makes sense. I mean, I can definitely tell you guys right now, this is definitely taller. All right, guys, I'm Cameron. This is Cameron's Cruisers. Thanks for watching. Today we installed the ProTaper triple clamp on this KLX110, a 2021, but this will work for any year bike, KLX110R, L, LR, DRZ110, anyone. So thanks for watching. If you liked the video, like and subscribe. If you don't, I don't give a shit. If you didn't like something though, put it in the comments. And if you want to see something, put it in the comments and I'll probably do it. Thanks for watching. This is Cameron's Cruisers. Adios.